Meaning of journalism.
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 Journalism. Journalism is the profession of collecting, writing, and publishing news and other information, typically in newspapers, magazines, or online platforms. It involves researching, investigating, and reporting on events, trends, and issues that are of public interest and importance. Journalists play a critical role in keeping the public informed and holding those in power accountable. In addition to news reporting, journalism can also involve feature writing, editorial commentary, and other forms of storytelling that aim to inform, educate, and engage readers or viewers.